i35equipment.com. This is the John Deere 850K LT Bulldozer. It does have the rear hydraulic ripper set with 3 ripper shank teeth, full cab, factory air conditioning and heat. Paint looks excellent on it. Welcome you to come look at her for yourself. It is shown by appointment only, though, so please give us a call. Get on the calendar. Phone number is 405-833-6437. You're welcome to bring your mechanic and operator or hire some local ones to accompany you. If you'd like a hauling quote, please fill out the form on our website. Be happy to look into that for you. Looks to have good power. You can see there, it is the 4-way blade. There go the rear rippers. Good ripping power. We'll let him climb out. We'll go check out the undercarriage, and then we'll climb up there and look at the interior. Here's the blade on it. This machine, good undercarriage on it. It is a made in the USA machine. Good, zoom out to the fisheye lens. It may distort just a hair, but give you a real good view of the interior. It does have a pretty nice seat in it. This is the handle for the rear rippers there. All your controls. Check this radio out and see if it's working. So it is showing, but it's not, no sounds coming out this time. Currently sitting at 4.761 hours. Appreciate you taking time to watch this video. If it's beneficial to you, I look forward to hearing from you soon. Have a wonderful day.